Welcome to Ageless Teachings. Words have power. Yes, words have power. They possess an incredible ability to shape our thoughts, emotions, and even our realities. Think about it. A kind word can brighten someone's day. A harsh word can leave a lasting scar. Our words are like seeds, capable of producing either life-giving fruit or destructive thorns. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 18:21, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit." This powerful verse reminds us that our words have consequences. They can build up or tear down, encourage or discourage, heal or harm. We've all experienced the impact of words firsthand. Remember a time when someone offered you a genuine compliment? How did it make you feel? Did it lift your spirits? Now think about a time when someone spoke harshly to you. Did their words sting? Did they leave you feeling hurt and defeated? Words have the power to shape our self-perception and influence our interactions with others. That's why it's so important to be mindful of the words we choose and the way we use them. As Proverbs 21:23 says, "Whoever guards his mouth and tongue keeps his soul from troubles." Reflect on the power of your words today. Choose to speak life and encouragement. If you agree with this, put Amen in the comment. Encouraging words are like sunshine. They have the power to nourish our souls, inspire growth, and bring hope to even the darkest of times. When we speak words of affirmation, kindness, and support, we plant seeds of confidence and resilience in the hearts of others. Think about the story of the young boy who is struggling to learn to read. He feels defeated, convinced he'll never catch up. But then, a patient teacher offers him words of encouragement. "You're doing great," she says. "I can see how hard you're trying. Keep believing in yourself." Those simple words ignite a spark of hope within him. He starts to believe in himself again, and with renewed determination he perseveres. Proverbs 15:4 tells us, "A wholesome tongue is a tree of life, but perverseness in it breaks the spirit." Gentle, encouraging words have the power to heal emotional wounds, mend broken relationships, and restore shattered dreams. They can breathe life into seemingly hopeless situations and inspire extraordinary acts of courage and kindness. In a world that can often feel harsh and unforgiving, our words have the power to be a source of light and love. By choosing to speak words of encouragement, we can make a profound difference in the lives of those around us. Take a moment to encourage someone today. Your words can make a difference. Just as encouraging words have the power to build up, negative words have the power to tear down. Words spoken in anger, bitterness, or resentment can inflict deep emotional wounds that can linger for years to come. Think about the devastating effects of bullying. Cruel words, insults, and name-calling can chip away at a person's self-esteem, leaving them feeling isolated, worthless, and alone. The scars of verbal abuse can be just as real and painful as physical scars. Proverbs 12:18 warns us, "There is one who speaks like the piercings of a sword, but the tongue of the wise promotes health." Our words have the power to inflict pain or to promote healing. They can either escalate conflict or foster reconciliation. When we speak words that are hurtful, disrespectful, or demeaning, we create a toxic environment that stifles growth, breeds resentment, and damages relationships. On the other hand, when we choose words that are kind, compassionate, and understanding, we create a safe space for healing, growth, and connection. Let us be mindful of the words we speak, for they hold the power to shape our world. Be mindful of your words. Choose kindness and compassion over negativity. Please feel free to share a Bible verse about the tongue in the comments below. Our words don't exist in a vacuum. They have a ripple effect, extending far beyond the person we're speaking to. When we gossip, spread rumors, or engage in negative self-talk, we contribute to a culture of negativity that can poison our communities and relationships. Think about how quickly a rumor can spread through a school or workplace. One person's careless words can have a devastating impact on another person's reputation, relationships, and even their livelihood. On the other hand, when we speak words of kindness, encouragement, and support, we create a positive ripple effect that can uplift our communities and inspire others to do the same. When we choose to focus on the good in others, we create a more compassionate and understanding world. Our words have the power to shape the world around us. By choosing our words carefully and speaking with intention, we can create a more positive, loving, and supportive environment for ourselves and for future generations. Create a positive ripple effect in your community. Speak words of kindness and support. I want to leave you with a challenge today. Take the next week to pay attention to the words you speak. Be mindful of the impact they have on others and choose your words carefully. As you do, I promise you'll see a profound shift in your relationships, your interactions, and your overall well-being. You'll begin to create a more positive, supportive, and loving community, one word at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on impactful topics. Hit that like button. Enjoy the rest of your day.